From stressed to success. Build your financial plan. Hey everyone, we all dream about financial freedom, right? Retiring early, traveling the world, maybe buying that dream house. But then reality hits. Bills pile up, debt feels overwhelming, and figuring out how to invest feels like rocket science. Well, guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. Today, we're diving deep into building a bulletproof financial plan that actually works. And to help us out, we're going to follow Sarah's journey. Sarah's 30, makes $60,000 a year, and feels the same stress as you do. She dreams of retiring early but isn't sure how to make it happen. We're going to walk step by step through the exact systems Sarah used to take control of her money, pay off her debt, and start investing for her future. So, if you're ready to ditch the financial stress and start building the future you deserve, hit that like button, and let's get started. Okay, let's be real for a second. How many times have you set a financial goal like, I need to save more money? We've all been there, right? But here's the thing. Save more is about as useful as saying I want to eat healthier. It's vague, it's not actionable, and it's almost impossible to track. That's where SMART goals come in. Sarah was stuck in the save more trap until she discovered the power of being specific. She went from save more to save $500,000 by age 50 to retire comfortably. See the difference? That's the power of SMART goals. Specific. Don't just say save more, get specific. What are you saving for? A down payment on a house, early retirement, write it down. Measurable. How much do you need to save each month to reach your goal? Sarah realized she needed to invest $1,500 a month to reach her $500,000 goal. Achievable? Okay, this is where it gets real. Can you realistically save that much? If not, what can you adjust? Sarah knew she had to cut back somewhere, so she decided to reduce her dining out budget by $200 a month. Relevant? Does this goal actually align with what you want in life? Don't save for a down payment just because everyone else is doing it. Make sure it aligns with your personal goals and dreams. For Sarah, retiring early meant having the freedom to travel, so her savings goal was directly tied to that passion. Time-bound. Give yourself a deadline. When do you want to achieve this goal? Having a target date creates urgency and helps you stay on track. Sarah gave herself 20 years to reach her $500,000 goal. Now, I know what you're thinking, $500,000 by 50? That seems impossible. Listen, I get it. Big goals can feel overwhelming. That's why it's crucial to break them down into smaller, more manageable milestones. Instead of fixating on the huge number, Sarah focused on smaller wins. Her first goal, save $10,000 in the next 12 months. Next, pay off $5,000 of credit card debt in the next 6 months. These smaller victories kept her motivated and built momentum towards her larger goal. Remember guys, this is a marathon, not a sprint. And to help you get started, I created a free goal-setting template. It's the exact same one Sarah used, and it's down in the description below. Trust me, setting SMART goals is a game changer. It's time to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start creating a plan to achieve it. Alright, let's talk about budgeting. I know, it's everyone's favorite topic. Just kidding, most people would rather get a root canal. But here's the thing. Budgeting doesn't have to be about restriction and deprivation. It's about understanding where your money is going and making sure it's aligned with your goals. Remember Sarah? She thought she was pretty good with money until she actually tracked her spending for 30 days. Turns out, those daily Uber Eats deliveries and Target runs were adding up way more than she realized. We've all been there, right? So what did Sarah do? She took a deep breath and implemented 2 simple strategies. 1. The 50-30-20 rule. This is a budgeting framework that makes managing your money so much easier. It breaks down your after-tax income like this: 50% on needs. This includes your essential expenses like rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation, and debt payments. For Sarah, this came out to about $2,500 per month, 30% on wants. This is where you allocate money for things you enjoy but aren't essential. Think dining out, entertainment, hobbies, travel, and shopping. For Sarah, this was $1,500 per month. 20% on savings and investments. This is the fun part. This chunk of your income goes straight to your savings account, retirement funds, or other investments. Sarah committed to setting aside $1,000 each month. 2. Slashing hidden expenses. You know those sneaky subscriptions you forget about? Yeah, those can really drain your bank account. Sarah took a hard look at her recurring expenses and realized she was paying for 3 streaming services she barely used. She canceled those, saving herself $45 a month. Then, she switched to a cheaper phone plan and saved another $30 per month. That's an extra $75 a month or $900 per year back in her pocket. Now, the biggest misconception about budgeting is that it has to be restrictive and boring. Not true. In fact, Sarah discovered a fun way to budget for her wants cash envelopes. She allocates $200 per month for things like coffee dates, dinners with friends, and shopping trips. She puts that cash in separate envelopes labeled coffee, dining out, and shopping. This way she can visually see how much she has left for each category and avoid overspending. Once the cash is gone, it's gone. No more guilt-tripping herself for those impulse buys. And the best part, you don't have to do any of this manually. There are tons of incredible budgeting apps out there like Mint that can do all the tracking for you. Or, you can use my free budget tracker spreadsheet, which you can download in the description below. Remember, budgeting is about taking control of your money, not letting it control you. It's about making conscious choices that align with your goals and values. And hey, if it includes a few lattes and Target runs along the way, even better. So there you have it, guys. Building a solid financial plan doesn't require a finance degree or winning the lottery. It's about taking control of your money, setting realistic goals, and making smart choices that align with your dreams. Remember Sarah? She was in the exact same boat as many of you, stressed, overwhelmed, and unsure of where to start. But by implementing these simple strategies, setting smart goals, creating a realistic budget, and tackling those hidden expenses, she's well on her way to achieving her financial dreams. And the best part? You can too. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on mastering your money. Until next time, take care and stay financially savvy.